Let's do some gorgeous green eye makeup. First, I'll use the Heimish Bulgarian Rose Satin Cream on my face. Now I'll use an eye base from Ingrid Cosmetics on my eyelid because we are going for a light eye makeup. And now the fun part, the green eye makeup. And for that, I'm using the sea green eyeliner and applying it with an angled brush. And the tip over here is to use thin lines, and then you can thicken it up later as per your liking. And now I'm using the same color to make a wing with the same angled brush, and then making the eyeliner again with it. So if you do the eyeliner with this angled brush, then it's very easy. And now I'm using a champagne color on the lid, and it's a very beautiful color. And you can use any sort of contrasting or matching color, whatever you like. But I think it goes really well with the green. And now making sure everything is blended. So I've used a brush, but there was no need for it. And now the same process on the other eye. So if you do a eyeliner with this angled brush, then the lines come very sharp and very precise. So I've used the sea green eye shade first on the inner corner, basically like a arc, and then use mint green from where the sea green is ending. So it's a very beautiful monochromatic look. And now again, make a wing with the brush, and you can create a variety of looks with this technique using blues, pinks, reds, but I think that blue and green look would look the best. And obviously you can use any other shade than the champagne shade. So this look looks like very difficult, but as you can see over here, it's so simple and easy to create it. You just need to follow what I have done. And now I'm using a dewy foundation. I'm going to name the product in the description below. And I love to use my fingers when doing a foundation because it gives a very nice smooth finish, and yeah, it makes the makeup look very natural. And the products that you use, you use the products very less. I think this foundation is a dupe of Giorgio Armani foundation, and I think I should do a video of drugstore products which are dupe of high-end products. Do let me know in the comment section below if you want me to do it. And gives it a beautiful smooth coverage. And this thing I guess only happens when you do use your fingers. And I'm using a highlighter on the under eyes to cancel out any darkness. And yeah, first using fingers. And then I'm going to blend it with a beauty blender, making sure everything is smooth. And yeah, you need to just blend it really carefully before setting it up with a setting powder, otherwise the crease lines are formed. Alright, so blending is key. I'm using both tools of this thing, and I'm going to use a concealer on the parts where there is darkness, dark spots, pimple marks in order to hide it. Yeah, and you can use any other darker foundation on your face. And now the fun part, blush. So I'm using my favorite Shiseido blush. It looks so beautiful on Indian brown skin, very subtle, very using my highlighter again. It's in the gold shade. First I'm going to name the product in the description. I've forgotten actually because this makeup I've done a week ago. And I'm using my Revlon lipstick. It's a very beautiful lipstick. It's just like chili from MAC, reddish copper. And now I'm ready. You can see the final look over here. I hope you love this look. Kindly do comment in the comment section below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.